Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Violet color, blue, orange, yellow, green, sky blue, light green, black, red, brown, purple, and pink color. Kids, in this video we will press capital letter A, B, C, D. Let's stress A. A for apple. B. B for bee. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. Violet color. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. Orange color. I. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. Brown color. M. M for moon. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Blue color. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for spider. T. T for tiger. Red color. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. Green color. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.